Hey you guys, in today's video we're doing this look. My name is Michaela if you're new to my channel, and happy 2019. This year will be full of new content, so stay tuned for that, and let's just get right into this tutorial. Today we're going to take the Norvina palette and we're going to take Incense and just use that as our transition color. I really enjoyed this palette, you guys. Like, I finally made a really pretty look with it and the colors blend so well. And I'm so sorry if I sound a little funny. I am sick once again, so excuse that again. And next we're going to take the shade Volatile and just pop that into the socket. This shade will mark out the shape for our cut crease. And please let me know what kind of content you want to see in 2019, because this year is like all about me. I'm making this year about myself, so definitely let me know what you want to see down below and stay tuned for very exciting content coming up. Next we're taking the shade Passion and just blending out Volatile and just adding some warmth to it as well. And if you guys don't already, just follow me on my social media. I will put it on the screen right in here. And yeah, I'm really active on it, so definitely follow me on there. And then we're just going to take the brush that we use Incense to apply with no extra color and just blend out those edges. And now we're going to take the shade Love and just pop that like right on the brow bone, kind of. I really like to do this just to give it a little bit more of a extra pop of color, to be honest. I love to do this with colors like these. To cut out the crease, we're going to be using this e.l.f. HD concealer, and I really like this concealer. If you're lighter than me, definitely don't use this because it oxidizes so badly as concealer, but to cut out the crease and to conceal, like, it's a really good formula. They just need to fix the color range because there's only 3 and they're all dark, like darkish, so definitely watch that. But if you're my color, definitely go for light if you're going to use it to conceal stuff, because it's actually got pretty good coverage. Next we're using the color Summer and just popping that around the lid. These shimmers are so buttery and so creamy. And now we're going to take the shade Rose Gold and pop that right on the outer part of the lid with our finger once again. And now we're going to take the shade Wild Child and just pop that all over the rest of the cut crease that we did not fill in. We're using a really small detailed brush. You can use any brush that's comfortable for you. And now we're just dabbing some glitter injections, mermaid jelly, all over the lid just for some added texture. Like always, you know I'm so extra with this. And now I'm just using this Butter London liquid liner. It's like one of those liners with the wheel on the end, and honestly it wasn't too hard to use. It was actually really precise. And just pop on your favorite lashes, it doesn't matter what kind. And then we're going to go in with this CoverGirl primer. This is the neutralizing one, so I really like this because I've been having a little bit of redness on my face, so yeah. And then we're going to take the CoverGirl Matte Made Foundation in the shade M80. And right here I sprayed all over my shirt and I was so mad at myself. But we're going to take that and blend it out with a Sigma F80 brush. And we're going to conceal with the e.l.f. concealer. And for bronzer, blush, contour, highlight, we're using this Pixi Glow Cake. I believe this is the pink champagne one, but I'm not sure. But I really like these, you guys. The formula is so good. I just use different sections for different things. Right now I'm contouring, and then you'll see me blush up right here, and then I go in with the highlight. And then just to finish up the lower lash line, we're taking Volatile and putting that right against the lower lashes. And then we're going to blend it out with the shade Love. Just blend, 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 and make that, you know, that pop of color like we did up at the top of the transition shade. And now we're going to highlight our inner corner and brow bone with the shade Dreamer. And now we're going to fill in our lips and line them with this Pot Beauty lip liner. I'm not sure what shade this is, I'm so sorry you guys, but I believe it's Volatile Vogue or something like that. I'm not sure, but we're gonna line them and fill them in except for the center, and then we're gonna go in with this Kiss Me lip gloss, which is so good, and fill in our lips with that. And that is the finished look, you guys. I really love this look. Like, I love how glowy and blushy, and just I love all the pink tones. So if you do want more looks like this, please give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you guys have a happy new year.